Good afternoon, good late, good morning. Happy Tuesday, family. Welcome to Successful Wear LLC right here on YouTube. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please take out the few minutes and take the time to get subscribed to this channel. Hit the thumbs up on this video. I am part owner and designer, creator of Successful Wear LLC, small black-owned e-commerce business. We specialize in customizing and digital printing, customizing of all occasions, digital printing, vinyl, direct print, anything you want. That's what we're doing. We do all kind of occasions of customization, guys. So if you're looking for a small business that specializes in customizing merchandise or cups or sweatshirts, sweatsuits, your child's back to school backpack, your child's pencil cases, go check our website out at www.successfulwearclothingllc.com. We have a half off sale, back to school sale going on for customizing, guys, and we also have product on that website, so please go check us out. We are doing a 50% off, and you just use the promo code SCHOOL50. Am I right, Ashanti?
Yes,
and this is
Buy
also
Black,
a part
guys.
owner of the
Buy
business.
Black.
Buy Black.
Small black-owned business.
Yes, thank you, guys. We have you use the promo code SCHOOL50, and we can customize your child's sweatshirts, your child's sweatsuits, your child's favorite color t-shirt with whatever he or she may want on it, your child's book bag, your child's water bottle, whatever, your child's who knows, their books. If you want to personalize their books, if they have to have covers on their books and you want that customized, you hit us up at www.successfulwearclothingllc.com, guys. We are a small business, e-commerce business, looking for people to do customization on, guys. And we also want you to follow us on YouTube at Successful Wear LLC on YouTube, Shanti.
Yes, and Google us. You can Google us, and all our info and stuff will come up right from there. You
Yes,
can even give us a call with anything specialized, customized, any personal things that you want. Let us know by phone today. Telephone, call us today and let us know what you want. And we also specialize in trying to get in that next day delivery, guys. So
yes,
shop our way. Successful
Get
Wear
your
LLC.
orders in, guys.
Buy Black.
Have your orders in before 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you will have your orders shipped out that same day to get priority mail to you exclusively as soon as possible. And we pay the extra for our priority to get there. We exclusively bloopers shoot for next day service. That's what we specialize in. Boom. So there's not too many big printing companies out there that say, oh yeah, we'll guarantee you the next day. We specialize. If it's a 40-day fee to get it to you the next day, we're going to pay the $40. If it's $30, we're going to pay the $30. It's on us. Don't forget, Google us, www.successfulwearclothingllc.com.
Shop our website.
Shop our website. Use the school code, promo code to get half off. SCHOOL50. You get half off anything on our website. My name is Alyssa Costin. That's Ashanti Costin. Please, guys, watch us on YouTube, Successful Wear LLC, where we specialize in exclusively upload merchandise that will be uploaded to our own website. So I hope you guys have an amazing Tuesday. Thank you so much for supporting small businesses. Show love to small businesses.
Get subscribed.
Thank you.
Give us a big thumbs up.
Exactly. Get subscribed.
Exactly.
Follow us on Instagram, Successful Wear LLC. Follow us on TikTok at Successful Wear LLC. And don't forget, first and foremost, follow us right here on this platform, Successful Wear LLC on YouTube. Hi. Buy Black.
Guys. Support us. Love you guys.
Mwah.
Have a nice day.
Happy Tuesday, guys. Love you. We'll be back.